What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video we are going to unbox the latest GoPro Hero 8 that just got out from the market, and let's see how it would look like. So I got the special bundle from GoPro Hero 8. I got this for 26,990 compared to the actual unit lang worth of 23,990 currently out in the market. So the only difference between these two is that they have included a couple of accessories together with the actual unit, namely the extra battery pack, a mount. They also provided a shorty or a small tripod, which actually doesn't come with the usual bundle for the GoPro series. Hero 8. So there are a couple of manuals, GoPro stickers. In here, there is a free class 10 micro SD, a head mount, their charging cable, so type C na yung gamit niya. Ayan. The extra battery pack, and kung mapapansin nyo, meron na siyang parang highlight na color blue dito, which is quite different from the previous GoPro models. Pero I'm not sure if there's a difference in terms of the performance since all black lang siya. And last but not least, the shorty by GoPro. So nung bibilin ko to, actually I was thinking kung mas makakamura ba ako, but I guess I actually did, kasi if you'll be getting only these items, ito yung 23,990 na unit. Pero if you'll be purchasing this separately, class 10 usually ranges from 1,500 to 2,000 pesos. Nakita ko sa market, nasa 2,000. Yung mounts, I'm not just sure how much. So this is one of the main differences nung nakita ko na yung sa GoPro Hero 8. Powered by some kind of magnets. So magiging mas efficient siya somehow since hindi mo na kailangan kumuha pa nito tapos ikakabit mo para magkaroon ka ng mount. Easier, pero I'm not sure if gaano katagal ang magiging durability nito since flip type lang siya. Pero as I've found here, meron siyang screws, which means detachable to at pwedeng palitan. So that's one good point. The one thing na napansin ko rin na isa dito would be yung mismong lens niya became thinner, which means wala na ng lens cap. Kasi yung previous na GoPro Hero 7, pwede mo kabitan ng lens protector or lens cap. So kapag na-scratch yun, pwede ka lang magpalit, and ipapalitan mo. Kasi ito yung isang basic na kailangan yung alagaan, dents and scratches. And it was actually pretty heavy compared to the previous na units. And then another thing na napansin ko is yung compartment ng battery. So kailangan mo lang siyang hilahin dito. There. So para siyang may red line that indicates na naka-open siya. You just have to flip this over. So there. The battery is already inside kasi yung actual procedures kasi kailangan ipakita ng salesman nung binili namin to. So pre-open siya somehow. Pero hindi na siya nagbigay ng thorough information habang ina-unbox ito in front of us nung binili namin to. And then this would be the unit or slot for the SD card. Then ito na yung USB port para sa charger. So technically covered siya. And that sits perfectly right here. So there's only one button dito. Sa top is your shutter button at ito yung power. So if you'd be taking a closer look, nandito na yung type of lenses, nandito na rin yung type of shot, so may option ka na. Activity, slow-mo, standard, and then pwede mo rin daw itong i-customize the way you want it to be. So commonly, kailangan mo lang naman ng slow-mo, standard, super wide. So you also have options dito. Yung photo, video, and time-lapse. Yan, so right after ko i-open, pag in-edit natin to dito, which is yung pinaka naging outselling point, which is the hyper smooth. I suggest na mag-purchase kayo ng additional battery. 2 extra batteries would be fine, tas may external kayo na charger. So we'll be trying this out soon. So I guess if you guys like to have a review video using this camera, just leave a comment below. So based dun sa mga items na meron ako ngayon dito sa GoPro unit, personally, what you guys need to purchase after this would be yung protection nyo para dito sa lens and protection para dito sa mismong monitor ninyo. They mentioned na durable na to, pero since this is an action camera, you need to give an additional layer of protection to your camera. I found it online, meron nun parang tempered glass. As you can see, meron ng fingerprints agad for both lens tsaka dito sa monitor. So I guess I'll just have to wait for the delivery of my order before I use it outside. And then I guess this one is pretty good. Since meron ka ng mini tripod, you don't need to purchase anything out anymore. So we'll be testing this out on the next video. And that's it for today. Thank you again for watching, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. I'm out. Peace.